Hello friends and welcome to my channel. My name is Božica. I'm qualified interior designer and color specialist. In today's video, I'm going to review another Dulux color. In this video, I'm going to show you what other whites would pair really well with this neutral, what other colors you can use that are similar and has exactly the same undertone. And if you want to create a beautiful exterior using this color, I will show you the lighter and the darker combination as well. So stay tuned and let's go. So the color that I'm going to review today, it's called Milton Moon. So I have here Vivid White, which is a pure white. That's what you always should have to compare the color. And as you can see, it's a lovely gray with the blue undertone. It is a lovely neutral. Now, you can use it inside and you can use it outside of your house. LRV is very important. It's 50 for this color. This color, it has a lot of depth. I would not use it in an open space living, but I would definitely use it in individual rooms. It would work really well. Now, if you are renovating a kitchen, for example, and you want a kitchen that has a neutral, you really love grays with the blue undertone, this color is so beautiful. I can't even explain it to you. And it works so well with the stones, almost like that Calcutta look, but those type of stones that have blue undertone coming through. And just make sure that the whites that are in the stone are either crisp whites or white with the blue undertone, which you will have to test. Now let me show you whites that would work really well with this color. If you are doing this in your let's say separate living area, if you have an open space but this particular living room is separate, you can definitely use Vivid White, or there's other whites you can use. Now, there's Lexicon. It's a beautiful white with the blue undertone, works really well with Milton Moon. Then we have Lexicon Half. Then we have Lexicon Quarter. It just gets lighter, but the undertone stays the same. And the lightest of them all, with still a little blue undertone, it's Vivid White. So as you, it's white on white. So as you can see, all these colors, including Vivid White, work like magic with this color. So I hope this helps you if you are planning on using this color internally. Also, if you have a stone and you, let's say, want to paint your upper and lower cabinets, you can definitely use this color. Just make sure your stone, your splashback have the same undertone as well as your tiles. So your tiles have to have the same undertone. And I know I brag a lot about undertones. They're very important when you're working with neutrals. Certain undertones don't like to be paired with certain whites. Certain undertones don't like to be paired up with other undertones. So if you're not sure, I have an online course. I teach you all about it. 10 modules, very easy. My students love it. They all said it has opened up their eyes to neutral colors. I know we all love neutrals because they're so familiar and comforting, but if you don't know what you're doing, it can be very complicated. And you can kind of create a mess out of it. So these are your whites. Now, let me show you other colors that also have a gray with the blue undertone that would work really well with Milton Moon that you can use in your space. So let's say if you have an entryway, you might start with this really lovely light color, which is called Avalanche Creek. So you can start with that color in your entryway. Then you can move on and use this color elsewhere. It's called Tranquil Retreat. Oh, this is a very popular color. And all these colors, as you can see, are lovely grays with the blue undertone, and they would work really well from lightest to darkest. Now, this combination would also work really well externally. You will definitely see that lovely blue undertone coming through. This color will also be 2 to 3 shades lighter, and you can have your white colorbond roof, gutter and fascia in white, windows in white. Then we have this color, either rendered. And for your downpipes, I see this, and I don't know if it's laziness or just people ignore it and don't know, but your downpipes should be exactly the same color as the color you are painting your house. I wanted to say Weatherboard house before. So yeah, this is called Shallow Gray from Colorbond, and it works like magic with Milton Moon. Why? Because they have exactly the same undertone. So that would work really well. Now, those are your lighter options. If you want to go with your darker options, let's be talking about externally. This can be your roof. You can have your Milton moon on your facade. Your windows can be black. They can also be white. And if you want to add another color, let's say if you have moldings around your windows, then you can definitely use this color. It's called Timeless Gray. Oh, beautiful color. Very popular. That can also work really well. So you do your moldings around your windows in a bit of a darker color. So as you can see, all these 4 combinations from a pure white, Milton moon, to the darker colors work really well. Why does this work? Because all of these colors have exactly the same undertones. So when you're working on your external color selection, make sure that you have that monochromatic color scheme. It is the best. Please, when you're working with neutrals and picking light colors for exterior, do not go and start picking other neutrals. It does not work like that. Exterior color selection has different rules for interior color selection. Also, if you're going to have a stacker stone, make sure that it's a gray with the blue undertone, not gray with the green undertone. All these fixed elements play a crucial role in selecting the colors. People think if they have 6 or 7 colors outside, that is fantastic. No more than 2 to 3 colors outside. That is all you need. And you will have a beautiful house that everyone will actually want to look at. But you need to know how to coordinate your colors really well. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this video lesson. I hope this was really helpful. And if you have any questions, please feel free to pop them below. And I will see you in another video. Ciao for now.